What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So I'm just going to do a little commentary over this first portion. So this is one of my clients. She's actually 5 weeks out from a bodybuilding competition. She has some upper back pain, neck pain, and as you can see, I'm pointing out her right shoulder is completely rotated internally rotated forward. Like I'm describing it, almost looks like her shoulder blade is like falling off her back. And then her left QL and her lower back there is lit up as well. So those were some of the main areas we were focusing on trying to get relaxed and just trying to get back into a better position. And then, of course, after we're all done, we adjusted her too. So enjoy the video. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments, comment down below. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This side is definitely tighter.
The left? You didn't do anything in the basement.
Oh, that was weird. That like popped already.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely feels tight.
Yeah, this is very restricted. Especially this way here, internal. Yeah, this one actually feels a lot better though. More coming up into here. I don't think I really did anything, but
right.
Woo!
Good amount.
That's crazy through there, yeah.
Woo. Yeah, I've only done it to like.
Right, it's kind of hard to do yourself.
Yeah, I couldn't get my back. I've done like my upper trap, my chest.
I found one a little bit cheaper. That's like $300, but
the Theragun or something.
No, the Theragun.
Oh, that's like $6.
That one's expensive. That's the one I was like going to get, and then I found this $300 one. It's called like Hyper
Ice.
Yeah.
I've been looking at that one.
Yeah.
Kevin Wilk, one of the teams I follow.
Okay.
A lot of our.
He uses it.
Yeah.
To get one, that would be the one that I'd get.
Yeah. Yeah, he posted because he uses it on like his athletes.
Right side, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that girl. A little under there? Yep.
I know this is like your little closet for cleaning supplies, but don't mind me.
I'm
still training.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
We both look at it. This one's a little bit more tighter than I thought it was.
Yeah. That's.
Definitely feel that. The sub's kind of too. Ooh. Oh yeah, this one's a lot tighter.
Oh, that girl. Yep.
Push back here. Harder. Good, relax. Push one more time. Relax. Good. And do the same thing with this arm. Okay. Go back and come back up. Yep. Push it back. Good. Come back up. Good. Come back up. Do it one time. What's that? Good. Come back up. Good. Like really restricted. Not terrible. Like you should be able to get like a fist through here, so not bad.
Yeah.
But
Fist from the rib?
right to the top of your hip crest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if it's not, it just means that like your like
Pelvis. Also more pulling from the front.
pretty much just like everyone's posture where we're like all like kind of in like this. So it's like it makes it hard to breathe. Where you're like up like this, you can breathe better.
Right.
So.
Shoot here.
right side?
It's like everything is like being pulled to your right side. So we're gonna shift it back this way. So I have one more right here. Okay, lay on this side. Other way. There you go. Yeah, that's a long time.
Yeah.
On your back. Okay.
Ooh, I felt that.
Yeah. Nice. Jeez. Relax here. And then drop your left shoulder. Good.
Oh. Yay.
Awesome. Hold up.
Yeah, a lot better.
Oh, yay.
Trying to paint a picture, get the vision, you ain't here yet. Look, hold up, wait a minute, please. Flow switching, I got ADD. Brain scatters when you play the beat. It don't matter what you say to me.